Hey golfers, do you know how to take control of a trouble shot? I want to show you how to do that today. So we've got a difficult shot here and the ball is above our feet. Typically what that does is make the ball hook to the left, but you can see I've got water and a tree and another bunker to the left here. I can't have the ball hook too much. I am going to line up at the bunkers on the right side because I know the ball will draw a little bit, but like I said, I want to take control of the result and I want to feel like I'm going to cut the ball or fade it slightly off of this lie so that I don't get this swarming hook into the water. So like we've talked about in previous videos, if we want to fade the ball, we need to get our alignment a little bit left of our ideal target line and the face has got to be a little bit open at impact. So I'm going to choke up a little bit as well because the ball's above my feet and I'm going to try to hit a little slight fade off of this hooking lie. See a nice draw to the back of the green, hit that pretty well. Follow us on Golf Tee Performance for more tips. Thanks.